Tour Diary, Denver, September 5th, Luminaries. Conscious Krieger. Got Don on the drums, sitting in. And you know your boy, Freedom Wallace. I love Denver. What's poppin', Tony? Boot on the bass.
Ben's kind of like the orchestra. You know, he's like the conductor of the sound check. So everything that everyone already knows, he repeats it and tells the sound guy.
Can we go check in with Ben Jamming right now? Let's go talk to Ben. Come on. Jay Brave. Oh!
What did you explain to all the viewers at home what's going on with the sound check? You seem to have it pretty wrapped up tight.
Yeah, the sound check is really happening right now. It's going really great. Right now we're going down the rack toms and the drums, get that big booming hip hop sound to lay down the grooves so that you guys can rip and shred on the mic tonight.
So we're shredding on the mic?
Shredding.
Shredding.
So, that's what's up.
Don obviously has something to say. He has something to say.
Absolutely nothing. I'm happy to be here. Luminaries.
Yeah. Denver, September 5th. Luminaries. Cervantes? Cervantes Music Hall.